Hey, so if you want to manage customer support using HubSpot in 2026 and keep your customers happy without chaos, this full guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure you have access to the service tools, which are designed specifically for customer support. Start by setting up tickets. Go to the service menu and click on tickets. Tickets help you track customer issues, questions, or requests in one organized place. Each ticket shows status, priority, owner, and history. Next, connect your support email. This allows customer emails to automatically create tickets in HubSpot. No more lost emails. Yeah, everything stays tracked inside the CRM. Use ticket pipelines to manage support stages like new, in progress, waiting on customer, and closed. Customize stages based on how your support process works. Assign tickets to team members so everyone knows who is responsible. You can also set priorities to handle urgent issues first, which improves response time. Add notes and internal comments on tickets. This helps your support team collaborate without confusing customers, especially when multiple agents are involved. Use saved replies and templates to respond faster to common questions. This keeps answers consistent and saves a lot of time during busy periods. HubSpot also tracks customer activity automatically. You can see previous emails, calls, deals, and interactions directly inside each ticket, giving full context before replying. Check service dashboards and reports to monitor performance. Track metrics like response time, ticket volume, and resolution rate to improve your support quality. As your support grows, use automation to assign tickets, send follow-up emails, or update ticket status automatically. And that's it. By using tickets, pipelines, email connections, templates, and reports, you can manage customer support in HubSpot efficiently and professionally. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.